Hey there, it's FaZe here from thefortuneblog.com and welcome to my VidRaffle Reloaded review. As you can see, I'm inside the members area of VidRaffle Reloaded, and in this review we'll take a look at the product demo, the features, pricing, upsells and more. So in a nutshell, VidRaffle Reloaded is a cloud-based software that you can use to build your email list using gamification. Now they have three different types of games that you can utilize, and it's quite comprehensive software and I have gone through it recently. So if this interests you, then stick around as I'll be going into more detail. During the course of this video, if you'd like to pick up a copy of VidRaffle Reloaded for yourself, simply click the first link in the description below, which will bring you to my bonus review page like this. And you can click the yellow button that says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, which will bring you to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick it up. And now there are two good reasons to pick it up. The first is that you'll be getting instant direct access to me, and I'll be able to help you with any questions or doubts you have about VidRaffle Reloaded, and I'll personally help you utilize this software to your benefit. Now the second is that you'll be getting instant access to the custom bonuses I have prepared for you so that you can get the maximum benefit out of VidRaffle Reloaded. Now let's take a look at the bonuses I have prepared for you. Then we'll take a look at the sales page, the demo of the product, and finally we'll end this video with the pricing. As you can see, I have taken some information from the sales page, and you can also take a look at this later. So my first bonus is my VidRaffle Reloaded walkthrough. As you can see here, it's going to give you tips and tricks on how to monetize the VidRaffle Reloaded as well, because as you can see, it's a software that you can use to build your email list. And I'm also going to give you tricks on how you can monetize this email list. My next bonus is business and website traffic. Now, VidRaffle Reloaded will give you a platform, a link, or all of these things which you can utilize to build your email list. But first you need some eyeballs on your content, right? You need some eyeballs on these VidRaffle Reloaded pages, and this training will help you with that. You'll also be getting resale rights to this training. My next training is the viral marketing effect, again with the resale rights. And VidRaffle Reloaded utilizes a gamification system, and it can also really go viral if you utilize it with the viral marketing effect. My next bonus is my 50k email list blueprint together with the resale rights, and you can definitely use this training together with VidRaffle to reach your target of 50k email subscribers or even more. My next bonus is access to the VIP vendor bonuses that he has given me to give to you. Now, to get instant access to all of these bonuses, simply click the first link in the description below, come through to my bonus review page, click any of these yellow buttons, which will bring you to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick it up. And once you do, simply access your JVZoo account, click your profile picture here, click my purchases. After you do that, you can select VidRaffle Reloaded, and you'll be able to see a page that looks like this. On this page, simply click this blue button that says access your bonuses, and you'll be getting instant access to all of these bonuses I have prepared for you. Now let's take a look at the sales page. As usual, I'm going to skim through it and you can go through it in your own time later. Now they're saying agency rights included, and this is a brand new video raffle app, turns any website into a high converting list building machine in seconds. And they're saying this is the highest converting email list building tool for 2022 guaranteed. Now this might be because it utilizes gamification, and gamification is quite addictive, I understand that. And you can save thousands on confusing list building materials, it seems. And it converts 1 in 3 website visitors into hot leads and subscribers. Maybe they might have some proof regarding this. And they think you can create viral video raffles that get shared by up to 62% people. Again, they might have proof to get to this number. And they're saying there are no monthly fees, no watermarks or hidden costs or steep learning curves. Now regarding watermarks, I know there's another tool that does the same thing, but they have watermarks both on their free and paid versions. And I like that VidRaffle Reloaded doesn't have watermarks at all. This is quite good. They're saying these are the steps. The visitor plays a raffle game and wins a prize. Visitor is set to the next screen to claim the prize by entering their email, and visitor enters their email to claim the prize and sees your thank you page. It's quite a very simple product, and I've also seen the demo before, so it's quite beneficial. So 4 reasons to get this. It seems you have more options, more opt-ins, not options, sorry. And you have more traffic and more leads and more sales. So let's quickly go through this. So you have some features: the law of liking, the law of commitment and consistency, for 3 reasons it seems. So instant rewards, that's also there. Quickly, okay. So it's by these two vendors who have gotten who really make useful products. As you can see here, raffles, more features. So some of these reasons why raffles are good, because they get up to 34% opt-in range, opt-in rates, trade higher, and they're fun, untapped, insanely powerful. So obviously it's not a common thing to do. So let's quickly go through this. How easy? Okay, it's a demo video right here. 3 steps. It's also on my bonus review page. You can look at it. So this is the embedded, I believe this is the embedded game, and you can also play this and see how it works. So these are the features here. More testimonials, old way and the new way. More features here. Okay. So let's see. They're saying they're solving different kinds of problems. So you have these bonuses together with the bonuses that I am providing you. You have the asset pack going at 147. You have the resale rights to VidRaffle transparent image suite going at 127. You have VidLooper, and you have agency rights to video lazy loader. You have how to build a huge mailing list as simple as possible with VidRaffle. So white label rights to 55 done for you lead magnets that you can use with VidRaffle. That's also really cool. You have the basic and agency commercial version, which we'll take a look at in the pricing section. And I believe we're almost done. You have more testimonials there, features a 30-day money back guarantee, and some helpful FAQs. Now let's take a look at the demo of the product. This is the VidRaffle dashboard. On the left hand side, we have leads graph, which is the main thing. We can selectively see the leads obtained from different dates. We also have helpful color indication here to let us know when the lead has been generated, the number of visitors, and the conversion rate. It's also helpful that they're showing it in terms of percentages and numbers here. On this, we have the main buttons that are required to use with Raffle, or things that we would usually use in with Raffle, which is create the raffle, your raffle games, integrations, help and support. As usual, watch the demo video first if you want a clear understanding of this product, and you can also access help and support for more information. You can change the language inside with Raffle to any language you want from this list right here. On the left hand side, you have the menu options, which include create a game, my raffle games, done for you templates, integration, team members, agency, white label, tutorial videos, help and support. As usual, please take a look at tutorial videos first and then take a look at everything else next. Now, I believe some of these options here include things that are also available in the upsells, meaning not everything might be there in the front end. And we'll take a look at that in detail in the pricing section of this video. Now let's click create a game to create our first game. And let's see how this campaign works and whether it's simple, difficult, the options that we need to go through. So as you can see, they're showing a clear 3-step process in which you will select a theme, customize it, and finally finish it. So the first is the game name. Let's enter a game name, which can be something like a sample game. I believe this name only has relevance to us and it will not be shown to anyone else. Here we can have a coins game, balls game, and tickets game. Let's go with tickets. So I believe we're going to head into the step 2 of this process, which is to customize this raffle. So we are in the customizing page right here. We have the A and B testing right here. I believe this is the preview. And we have the game screen, the lead form screen, the integrations, the thank you screen, and conversion pixels if you want to add them. We can also see the game inside. We can see the preview of the game and how it would look like on a desktop or on mobile phone, and we can also optionally activate or deactivate opt-ins. Let us see here. We have the title here, the headline. We have the ability to not show the headline as well, as you can see here, or we can show the headline. And we have these tools here to type our sentence, to type our headline. We can change the button text, which is this text. We have already selected this image in the first step. As you can see, we have images of tickets right here. We can also add our own custom ticket images. We can add new images. We can also set the raffle game results. For example, getting one ticket means 5 prizes, and you can also add coupons, and the probability can also be adjusted. As you can see, the next option we have is styling. So we can see the styling and change the styling and the background color of this. And we have the font family that we can change the font size, the button width. Right now it's 85% here. The button theme can also be changed. And if I click it, I have many themes to select. And some of these look like 3D themes. So it's also very interesting that they have gone into such great detail. As you can see, many types of buttons to choose from. We have the frame border radius. So this is the frame border radius, I believe, or it might be this one. Let's simply change it to find out. Okay, I'll remove the frame. I believe it might be the big one. That's why it's not clearly visible. And then let's take a look at the next one. We have backgrounds. Inside backgrounds, we can add our own background. As you can see here, the background has changed, or we can simply select no background. I believe it will be done with this. We can also search from Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, Usin, and also upload our own background images. And these files with these 4 extensions are allowed, meaning you can also add the GIF files. The frame animation can also be adjusted here with the different styles and different duration of the animation. Delay and count of the animation can also be adjusted, and the transition effects can also be configured right here. We also have the option to upload different sounds. There are many sounds, 11 at the moment here, already added for you. You can just listen to the sound by clicking this button right here, and you can select this sound if you want to. Now this is the win audio, and the game sound can also be different. As you can see here, 9 options to select from. We've gone through the game screen options. Let's take a look at the lead form screen. Again, I like the fact that they have a preview page, a preview section on the right hand side. We can change the background color. As you can see here, I believe this bar has been influenced by the background color. We can change the headline. Again, we can keep the progress bar and hide it if you want to. So all of these things are customizable. So we can add the video image or the image and all of these things. As you can see here, we can also paste the URL from any source. Example, the URL videos can be added from here. You can paste the URL here. The background color can be adjusted from here, and the lead type can be adjusted from here. You can also adjust the form details that you want here, and you can add the placeholder name here. As you can see, enter your name here can be changed into enter your first name here, and it has changed on the right hand side, and can be changed into enter your best email, for example. We also can make our form horizontal, as you can see here, or vertical as it was before. Button text can be changed, the theme can be changed again with all of these theme options as you have seen before. The terms and conditions can be changed, and terms and conditions URL can be added if you have a link for that, or you can just hide it if you don't have anything regarding that. And you can also add the GDPR description and the legal text description as well. I believe it will be shown at the bottom. And then of course you also have the option to view it on the phone and on your desktop. The preview is also there for the two types of devices. And then we have integrations, where we can integrate with different autoresponders, and Zapier can integrate with almost all the autoresponders, so you have that option as well, and it's free to get started. And then once you select the integration service, you can connect it to your accounts, and we'll take a look at that in detail in the integrate menu on the left hand side, as you have seen earlier. So we can add the integration here, and you can see a list of connected services, meaning you can add more than one connected service. And then we have the thank you screen, where you can add the thank you headline, the video or image or button text, and everything is optional. You do not need to add things if you don't have them. You can always just create the page and later add all of these details. So all of that is customizable, and you can also add a conversion pixel for Google, from Google, Facebook, or some other custom pixel. And then if we click save, we can click save or publish, meaning if you do not want to directly publish it, you can still save it, come later and add the details. And we'll click publish, but it's showing that please connect your autoresponder. So for now, since we haven't gone through those settings right here, we'll simply go through here. Okay, save an app. So we can do that, I believe. So we can directly save it inside the VidRaffle app, meaning you do not need to necessarily connect an autoresponder. You can directly save it in the VidRaffle app and later come and export this list into your autoresponder. So that's also very, I think I like that feature. Let's click publish and see how it looks like. As you can see, we have the final preview, and anybody can click start, and you can see how this will happen. So it's being rotated right here. So we can reload this, we can embed and share it, or further customize it. As you can see, I have clicked start and I got that ticket. Congratulations, you won. And so you won a 7. Enter your email below to collect it. As you can see, it will look like this. And this is the example GDPR description. You can also change this. So I had assumed it will be at the bottom, but it is actually below the yes, I agree button checkbox. So you can do it like this, and you can embed and share. Once I click embed and share, so you can see start promoting your VidRaffle game. You can add it as a pop-up, as a sticky button, as an announcement bar, QR code, get hosted, link to your game, share your game on social media, embed on any page builder or websites. I believe there's some significance to this crown shown here, and we'll take a look at it in the future. For now, let us head back to VidRaffle and look at the other options. We are back in the dashboard. As you can see, we have already gone through one of these options, that is create game. Now let's take a look at my raffle games, and I believe we will see the games that we have created already. So these are the games that are created in this account. As you can see, we have all the details of the game, which include visits, leads and conversion. We can also directly edit it, copy it, so you can duplicate it as well. We can see the embed page, the detailed statistics, the share button, and we also have the delete button. And you can also filter the game by these metrics and search a game by its name. As you can see here, we have these done for you templates. Let's take a look at them and see what's inside. So these done for you templates are there for these piano lessons, catering, eye health, grocery store, car service, diet and well-being, eye health, dance class, pizza, piano lessons, and all of these, dentist. So these done for you games are already present. As you can see, there are many games here: architecture, photography, tattoos, jewelry store, vet, consulting, coffee shop, travel agency, ice cream, cooking, pool, social media, chiropractitioner, music lesson, bakery, bookstore, florist, bike shop, computer repair, locksmith, memory generic, baby toy shop, SEO agency, injury lawyer, jewelry store, and fitness trainer. Of course, I missed some names. You can always go back in the video and take a look at them. Let's see what integrations has to offer us, and I believe this basically is the place for us to enter our API details and integrate it. So I had previously assumed there was only Aweber and the Zapier, but we also have many other, I would say, autoresponders we can integrate with. And many of these are free or have free versions. For example, GetResponse has a good free version, Aweber has a free version, MailChimp has a free version, even Zapier has free version. So as you can see, it's not just autoresponders, it's also webinar softwares that we can integrate with. And yes, this is quite a detailed list. So we can also see what's connected already, webinars. So we can also see in detail different types of integrations available to us. As you can see, this is quite comprehensive. And let's take a look at team members. I believe this is the place where we can add team members in case you have a team, you're not a solopreneur and you have a team. So you can definitely utilize this option. You can add up to 15 team members. I believe that is usually enough for most people. Let's take a look at what you can do here. Add the name, email address, username, password, confirm password, and that's done. Then let's take a look at agency. So this is available only to agency members, and this I believe is an upsell. White label is also, I believe, an upsell. Tutorial videos will have tutorial videos. So it's the same video we had seen on the dashboard, and this is basically help and support. So this is the demo of VidRaffle. Now all of this is well worth the 24 or 27 bucks for the agency or basic version on the front end. Let's take a quick look at the differences of these versions. You have the website license pack in both of them. You have the ability to create raffles. You have the leads limit. You have the raffle game designer, the live preview custom template designer, the add raffle engagement elements, responsive template designs, the multiple raffle types, the design custom forms, the GDPR compliant lead generation, campaign analytics, social sharing and results, set win probability, URL redirect, progress tracking bar, reward system, reports, marketing automation, integrations, setup two-step autoresponder opt-in, and monetize active traffic. Now, all of this is common in both of these versions. The main difference comes in the done for you campaigns, templates, commercial rights included, and ad branding, logo watermarks, and fast action bonuses. That's the main difference between these two versions, these 5 points. You also have some optional OTOs as well. Now, let's take a look at them. You have the reloaded professional version going at 97. You can take a look at these features in your own time. And you have the OTO2, which is VidRaffle Reloaded Diamond version going at 97. You also have the VidRaffle Reloaded White Label 200 version going at 127. And finally, we have the VidRaffle Reloaded Stop Motion Suite going at 47. So this is basically my review of VidRaffle. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. So see you in the next time. Peace.